ड्रॉप आउट बच्चों को दोबारा तालीम से जोड़ने वाला इदारा लर्निंग पॉइंट फाउंडेशन का इनोवेशन डे 2024 का इनेकाद अमल में आया। लर्निंग पॉइंट फाउंडेशन पिछले 6 सालों से ड्रॉप आउट बच्चों को NIOS के तहत ट्रेनिंग देकर दोबारा तालीमी सफ़र से जोड़ रहा है। साथ ही मदारिस के बच्चों को भी असली तालीम फराहम कर रहा है। लर्निंग पॉइंट फाउंडेशन हर उम्र के बच्चे, बड़े, मर्द, ख़वातीन को तालीम फराहम कर रहा है। लर्निंग पॉइंट फाउंडेशन की जानिब से 3 रोज़ा इनोवेशन डे 2024 का इनेकाद अमल में आया, जिसमें स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट और मदारिस के बच्चों के अलावा तमाम तलबा व तालिबात ने अपने हुनर के ज़रिए साइंस और इस्लामी मॉडल की नुमाइश कर पैगाम पेश किया है।
Allah says in Quran about honeybee, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ أَنِ اتَّخِذِي مِنَ الْجِبَالِ بُيُوتًا وَمِنَ الشَّجَرِ وَمِمَّا يَعْرِشُونَ ثُمَّ كُلِي مِنْ كُلِّ الثَّمَرَاتِ فَاسْلُكِي سُبُلَ رَبِّكِ ذُلُلًا. And the Lord taught the bee to build its cells on hills, on trees, and in men's habitations. And he taught him to follow the ways of the Lord made smooth. Bee, after discovering any new garden or flower, goes back to his fellow bees and tells about the exact direction on the map to get there. This is known as bee dance. Honey has healing property. In the Quran, Allah has mentioned in 1400 years ago in this following verse, يَخْرُجُ مِن بُطُونِهَا شَرَابٌ مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوَانُهُ فِيهِ شِفَاءٌ لِلنَّاسِ. Honey has healing property, and one more thing, the honeybees are essential pollinators. Almost 90% of wild plants and 15% of leading global crops depends on them. Thank you.
This is the working model of wind energy. Wind energy is also known as wind turbine. It converts the wind energy into mechanical and electrical energy. It is a renewable resource. It produces zero carbon. Wind turbine harnesses the energy from wind by mechanical energy, and then it creates the electric energy. And when the energy is transferred into generator, the generator produces the electricity, and then we will get the electricity.
So this is a working model of wastewater purification. This is the simplest and cheapest way in which we can purify the water. We use the method of filtration and sedimentation using natural things like charcoal, stone pebbles, stones, and cotton. She's doing the experiment.
Namaste. India is our country, and it is very special with different cultures. Delhi is capital of India. India is a democratic country. India is a land of diverse crops from north to south, east to west. Different states grows different crops. India's crops are the backbone of the economy. India is a vast and diverse country, and its agriculture landscape varies from state to state. Let's appreciate our farmers for their hard work. Here is a breakdown of the most cultivated states in different crops.
Sir, when the water will fill through the pipe, water will fall down in the turbine. Turbine will connected with motor. Motor will generate electricity, sir.
So my model is vagus nerve actually. Vagus means in the Latin word vagare, which means wandering nerve, which means it doesn't have any aim, the aimless nerve we say. So this is called vagus nerve. So many of us don't know what vagus nerve do actually. So it is a major role which plays in our body, which is called depression, anxiety, which is the main causes which is doing without stimulation. If you don't stimulate this nerve, these problems will come, and this is a parasympathetic part of the nervous system which helps in respiratory system, cardiac system, and hepatic system, and stomach system for digestion and heart rate, breathing, everything, like sensory things. If the stomach having hungry, So this nerve is telling us to do have something. So this is a vagus nerve. This has a main role in the gut and the brain axis. That is why we call as the communication between the gut and the brain.
We will start from there. Today we are going to explain the three models. First one is a dispersion of light. Another one is this is the prism by which we can show the dispersion of light experiment. And this one is hologram, a 3D module which can, with the help of which can shows the 3D pictures, 3D videos or anything. And this is the smart glass for blinds. And one by one I will explain. First we will start from the dispersion of light. Actually, what is dispersion of light? Dispersion of light is how will a rainbow form? What is the sign behind forming a rainbow? Actually, the sunlight have, it is a white color, and actually white color have millions of color, and some simplified color are Vibgyor color, for example violet, blue, red, green, and these are 7 types of color. For example, the sunlight will, if we passes through a droplet of water, it will deviate it into 7 different colors. For example, here the prism is acting like a droplet of water. If we passes the white light through the prism, it will deviate it into 7 different colors in the wall. For example, for that we have to switch off the lights, and please can I have white light? The prism, you can see the rainbow shade there. And this is the science behind the forming of a rainbow, and it will form the opposite of sun. And another one model is hologram 3D module. This is the phenomena of light. There are 3 categories in light. One is dispersion, reflection and diffraction, and in this case the refraction of light will give the 3D wall, if you can see there. It is like a 3D video. Yes.
Welcome to Learning Point Foundation's Innovation Day. Learning Point Foundation is a premier educational institution dedicated to fostering a love for learning, creativity and innovation. Our mission is to provide a nurturing environment that encourages students to explore, discover and achieve their full potential. At Learning Point Foundation, we emphasize holistic education that is focusing on academic excellence, personal growth and social responsibility. Innovative learning like incorporating cutting-edge technology, hands-on experience and project-based learning, personalized attention like providing individual support to cater their learning needs and styles. But what sets apart is our commitment to empowering marginalized communities. We provide educational opportunities to dropouts, orphans, widows, Hafiz and Hufaz, or dropouts, giving them a second chance to rediscover their passion for learning, orphans, providing a supportive environment to help them thrive, widows like empowering them through education and skill development, Hafiz and Hufaz by nurturing their spiritual growth and academic excellence. Experience the excitement of discovery and exploration as our students demonstrate their understanding and creativity. We are proud to provide a platform for our students to shine and showcase their skills. Our students have been working tirelessly to prepare innovative models and projects showcasing their talents and achievements in various subjects including science, math, home science, data entry, computer science, psychology, biology, chemistry and physics. Experience the excitement of discovery and exploration as our students demonstrate their understanding and creativity. Our esteemed trainers who have supported our students to come back to their journey from the dropout to a student where they are putting their lot of efforts and creating their models with a proper presentation.
6 years back हमने शुरू किया था And we started with 6 students. Today we have 450 students who are back to education. We use NIOS as a tool, National Institute of Open Studies, as a tool to complete their 10th secondary and senior secondary, push them towards further studies. It's like a bridge where they are moving on with further studies. Every year we are saying that more than 80% students are moving on with their further studies, and whatever we have got the strength. Every year hundreds of students are back to education, and they are proceeding towards their further studies, employment and professional courses. That's a big success which we have got, and today we encourage our students. Today we had an event where they are interacting with public, so that they will get that confidence to talk to the people, because they were dropouts somewhere, they had lost that hope. And today we are trying our level best to give the quality education, build them to fight with this world, to go and they also should be, they have rights of education. We want them to get educated. So that's the motto of Learning Point. Yes, we have dropouts, we have madrasa students, we have mothers who are back to education, we have boys who are working, breadwinners. Anybody who want to get educated can surely approach us.